If you are serious in losing weight, then try this high-protein, tasty, and easy salad recipe. Please try this with every meal. Hope you will like it. Take 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, a half teaspoon Italian mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, salt to taste. Mix well. Take a bowl. Take a half chopped cucumber, 4 to 5 chopped cherries tomato, a half cup chopped red and yellow pepper capsicum, 4 to 5 chopped radish, 1 diced onion, 2 to 3 blanched broccoli florets cut in 2 pieces, a half cup chopped lettuce, a 1/4 cup pre-boiled kidney bean available in tin, a 1/4 cup pre-boiled black chana available in tin, 50 grams diced paneer or cottage cheese. Add salad dressing. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon chaat masala, a half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Mix well. Ready to serve. Please try this once in every meal. Hope you will like it. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.